In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to an online store on Wix Studio. If you're new to creating an online store or just getting started with Wix Studio, don't worry. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the tools to set up your store and add products with ease. Whether you're selling handmade goods, digital downloads, or anything in between, this guide will help you get up and running quickly. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix Studio homepage. To do this, simply type in the Wix Studio URL and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the homepage, which is the starting point for everything we'll be doing today. Now look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the sign-in page. Here, you'll need to select your preferred sign-in option. Wix Studio offers several ways to log in, such as using your Google account, so choose the option that works best for you and log in by following the prompts. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be brought to the Wix Studio dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The dashboard is your control center, and from here, you can manage every aspect of your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, and when you're ready, locate the plus icon. This icon is usually positioned somewhere on the dashboard and opens up a menu for adding new elements to your site. Click on it to continue. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see a menu with a variety of options. Scroll through and find the one labeled Store. This is the feature we'll be using to add your online store to your website. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. Next, you'll see an option that says Add to Site. Click on it to integrate the store feature into your website. This step is essential because it sets up the foundation for your online store. Wix Studio will automatically add the necessary pages and tools to your site, so you don't have to worry about creating everything from scratch. Now that the store feature is integrated, it's time to navigate to the Manage Products section. You can usually find this option within the store settings. Click on it, and it will take you to a section where you can see and manage all the products for your store. To add your first product, locate the New Product button and click on it. This will open up a product form where you can input all the details about the item you want to sell. Here's where you'll want to be thorough. Start by filling out the product name. This is what your customers will see first, so make it clear and descriptive. Next, add a detailed product description. This is your chance to highlight the features and benefits of your product, so don't hold back. After that, input the price of your item. Be sure to double-check this for accuracy. Finally, assign a category to the product if applicable. Categories can help you organize your store and make it easier for customers to browse your offerings. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click the Save button. This will finalize the product and add it to your store inventory. Congratulations, your first product is officially in your store. If you have more products to add, simply repeat the process. Click on New Product, fill out the form with the relevant details, and hit Save. You can do this as many times as you need to until all your products are listed. And that's it. You've successfully set up your online store and added products using Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.